Diggers here, and I'm fixing to show y'all some footage of where we went on our vacation. This will be the second one this year, and I hope you really enjoy this. And please help us out by subscribing, liking our channel, and watching all the way to the end. We might not have the most exciting videos as other people do, but you know, it'd really help us out if you could just watch to the end and click subscribe and like. And we thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this.
Oh wow, this is our first sight from the stairs of this waterfall. This is called Blue Hole Trail. We're at Rock Island. And then you can see the water down here. This is beautiful. Wow, y'all. Wow, y'all. Look at that. Waterfall comes from up there. Goes to right there, goes way down there, and we fixing to turn right here, and the water wet and get wet, I guess. You see it falling off down through there too? Wow.
Let's just get down and jump in there.
Yep. This is awesome. Look at this. And then we can kind of walk down this. They said it's strenuous. Yeah, it's going to be a little bit strenuous. But
it's going to stop in the waterfall.
Worth it.
Around you.
Okay, so you can see, I mean, there is water coming down everywhere. We walked down that, you can see it up there, you can see the steps we came down, and look, you see the big one over there a little bit. I know it's hard to see on these cameras, it's always hard to see on the cameras, but probably gonna get harder from here on though, because this is where this right here ends. So probably do what? Ain't petrified wood. That's just
wood.
Wow. Look at this. This is amazing.
As far as you go, ain't it?
Look like it.
You come all the way down just to that.
Looks that way. Oh, you can go on down if you can do it, but because they got lots of pieces of wood down there. But, you know, I don't know that I want to. I mean, I can see it all through here. It's beautiful. Wow. This is amazing. Amazing. This is amazing. Treacherous, but amazing. Pretty though. And all right, we're catching a few somewhere else. Oh my gosh. This is so worth a walk down through here. Look at that. Water just, I mean, coming from everywhere. Every direction. You just can't walk anywhere. So you see little places through the trees. You just can't walk anywhere without a waterfall. This is clay and not rock. No way you can come down it. That is gorgeous. This is something else. I should have worn my water shoes. Oh my word. This is unbelievable. Man. So wow. Oh man, is that beautiful or what? Kind of scary getting over here, but oh my god. What you do? Oh my, it's lovely. Wow. This is something else. Alright, I'm gonna take some pictures. That's amazing, and that's a long way down too. And it does the same thing over there. Wow. That looks like a cave right yonder. You see that? Right yonder. Right there. Looks like a cave.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Some of this is really scary stuff to stand. So that water comes down through there. Yep. Fixing to head back up. Alright. This is just so amazing. And there's one on further out that's even look bigger from a distance. I don't know if it is. This is so cool. Well, alright, we're going to be going somewhere else in this park. Catch y'all in a few. This is the overlook. You can't see the falls really from here or anything, but you can see some out in the distance. And that's the old mill on that side. I don't know if it was a cotton mill or what kind of mill it was. And then you see the steps. We'll go over there when we leave here and come around on that side and see the Twin Falls over there, I believe. And you can even see up the hill where it's cut down through there in the distance. Right there. And right there, I think. Yep. And then that's the mill right there. And that's the other steps right there. I'm learning this thing how to point on here. Trying to. Can you hear that waterfall right there? But you can't see it. Maybe a little bit. Yeah. It's amazing. It's beautiful, gosh. I know, this is beautiful. Really beautiful. I guess if you catch something, you catch it. You just have to throw it back in, don't you?
Yeah.
If it ain't suitable.
I guess you do.
There. I'm gonna go right over here. Wow. That's a big body of water right there, isn't it? Pretty good size.
Standing by him, don't be talking. Because it scares fish off.
You silly. Oh, I saw one jump up there. Wow, that is pretty. Nice, peaceful. Now, here's a cool place to fish right there. We're just in a canyon here, ain't we? That's basically what it is. Alright. How'd you like to camp in a place like this? There's the picnic table. And
Wash your hands.
there's the water. And wow, there are a lot of mosquitoes though. That's gorgeous. Same place. Just further down. There's a little waterfall falling in here. I don't know how deep that is.
I don't want to get too close. I'll be gonna fell in. Look there. They'll cave off for you. Should they do it?
Nuh-uh. You move that. Don't mess with me.
Look, don't do that there.
I'm not. Move back on my way. That's gross. That's what I'm gonna do. Maybe y'all can see it. And I'll look at it too. I'm not going over that close. I'm just holding my camera out there. Look, out there. A good fishing spot, a good camping spot. Man, it's just pretty. And there's being in a place like this is just awesome. It was really awesome. He's going across the creek. I guess I'll follow him. Get my shoes wet. Can you box? Don't get too wet though. I'm gonna follow him wherever he's going.
I mean, it's just straight down. Look at that rock house.
Looks like I have plenty of fish because I see them jumping up all in through there. Alright, I'm going to close this one out and catch you a little later. Okay, this is the beach area. And they got kayaks. It must be pretty smooth from here on out. Does it look like a cave right yonder? Might just be a little cutout. No. Wow, I think it's really pretty there. Beautiful. Got a place to play volleyball. Yeah, it's nice. Real nice. And then the mountains behind it. That's pretty. They got a thing from up there that you can sit on. Well, alright, I think we're going to go further out to the Great Falls next. And we'll first come in at. Wow. Now we were off to the left of those falls before, standing up there and looking back this way. Man, that is amazing. We'll get a better viewpoint than that when we go to the other side. There's somebody walking right down there. It is a dam, and I just read the sign because it said it can rise real fast. I thought so, and yeah, they're out there. That's not smart. Where we live, it happens too, and people have been drowned. Hey, look at that truck going across right yonder. It was, you know that thing where we saw it when it was closed off to us? That's the TVA, Tennessee Valley Authority, going across it. That was pretty cool. Indian Fork River Gorge. Swimming or wading is not allowed downstream of the TVA powerhouse, Vesta Bridge, due to hidden deadly currents. This includes water near Twin Falls, the Blue Hole, and further downstream to the boat ramp. The boat ramp was there where the beach was a while ago.
Y'all hiked this before? Never been there. I saw one sign up there where they could fish. I think the smallest length was 50 inches on a certain fish. You just catch one a day. It's some kind of muss something. It's almost looked like a pike. Oh, really? Wow.
I just keep saying, oh wow. Oh wow. Some of these places are just, oh my goodness. It's beautiful. Look what that little thing is down there. I have no idea. They said 102 people have drowned at this dam. One with a life jacket and one without a life jacket. That is something. Sorry y'all, I don't mean to jiggle it so much, but it's really kind of hard to walk and not do it. Alright, I'll show you when we get closer, if I get closer. Now, is that lovely or what? That is pretty. Really pretty. Man, look at that rock jutting out up under, or wood or something. Yeah. Oh, sorry, it's rocky here. It's kind of hard to... Wow, that is so pretty. Man. Cool. Feels good. Yeah. That's amazing. And I guess we'll leave here and continue on. This is so unbelievable. I mean, this is so amazing. I just can't take this whole place territory in. It's just, wow. I mean, would you look at that? God. It is just so gorgeous. And falls just everywhere. Kind of like when at that other place we were. Just falls everywhere. I have no words. You can tell these rocks have had water on them a lot for a long time. That is just, I just can't get over it. It's magnificent. Stupendous. No words to describe it. No words to describe it. Man. Wow, God made such a beautiful world. Beyond belief. I can say, it's beyond belief.
Yeah.
I mean, look at this rock here. I mean, water's been on it for a long time. You can tell it has. This is just so pretty. to see if we're in for another big surprise. After the last one, this might be a surprise the other way. But we will see. I hear it already. But how it looks, I can't say. You've constantly got a drink in your hand, don't you?
That makes noise, let them know I'm with you.
Yeah, I guess so.
Nope.
Hey, Fall Creek Falls. I'm move so fast it makes me sick. Sorry about that. Oh wow. I wish I've seen that already. Oh goodness. It's pretty. It's high, isn't it? You can't see it where it ends down there. Yeah. I wish this thing wouldn't cut off and I turn it sideways. That would be cool. It didn't. It would make everybody see it turning their head. It's pretty. I don't think it compares to the other one though. Still pretty though. Amazing. You see a little pretty creek at the top of it. Alright, let me see if there's anything more than this. I think there's another fall, Tiny Falls here maybe. We'll see that in a minute. And we can see it a little better from here.
I told you that my wife didn't.
You can see the bottom there. All the way there. That's pretty. This is a better view than that, where we was at a while ago. That is pretty. It's a long fall. Yeah, look at that gorge going that way and then that way. It just amazes me how these gorges are formed.
Yeah.
Something else.
Wow. Far enough you can see some wildlife or something.
Yeah, I wish we could see an eagle flying. That'd be cool. This reminds me of Little River Canyon. Wow, that goes way up there.
I just think we were just up there.
Yeah. Yeah, we got to go back up there too.
Don't say that part of it.
Oh my.
We can walk right up there.
One step at a time. You don't think about how far you got to go. You just take it one step at a time. Wow, that is so amazing.
They were youngins. Yeah, most of them are.
Oh, look down there. It looks like a little cave. Yeah, actually right by her. That is so spectacular.
It's cool right
Oh
there.
man. All right, we'll get to the falls maybe. They said a quarter mile, but I don't believe them.
Yeah, look at that big tree coming off the rock.
I think it's half at least.
A big old pine tree.
I see that. I saw that. Look how square that is. See?
Yeah, that's
Rock overhead. Wow. And you can see the creek down there. Do not cross from trail to creek. Don't worry. This girl ain't. I'm not brave enough. I ain't been hiking down the trail. I've been crawling down it. Between slippery rocks and not hardly any space to walk. Okay, I'm gonna have to put this thing down now because I'm gonna have to crawl again, I guess.
Going up the hill now.
Wow, that is amazing. Gosh. It's a hike, ain't it? It's a mess. Yeah. Okay.
Ain't too bad.
Nah, it's not too bad. Just have to take your time and go slow so you don't fall on the rocks. Whew, this reminds me of Mesa Verde so much for some reason, but only there wasn't water up there. There's a creek, but I'm brave enough to try all that. Not me. I'm not sure I'm brave enough for this. I'm just kidding. It's not bad. It's just slow going. These kids have run ahead of their parents. That is not good. Not in a place like this. People just don't watch their kids like they need to. And I don't think that's safe. But we live in a different generation. So, it sure is pretty though. I've been terrified to bring my kids to a place like this when they were little, especially Misty. Oh my gosh, she was too wild. Oh yes, there we are. We're almost around the corner. Where'd it be? That was not a quarter of a mile. I don't care what they say. More like half a mile. Oh my gosh. Still doesn't compare with the other. Well, hell, the game's all here for the Alabama and Tennessee Jubilee.
That's right. Might as well go.
It's amazing.
They're a little wobbly. I was in it for a minute. Yeah, that's right. That's a big one.
Okay. This is probably as far as I'm gonna go. I don't know though, that wind sure is blowing down there. My goodness. I don't know if I was ever gonna get to the top on this thing. That's a long way up and a long way down. I bet you can feel that spray down at the bottom of that. It's a long way. It looks like a standing stone. How about that? I believe it is. It may have failed though, and that's why it's standing. I mentioned the other trail, and he said he didn't want to go in it. I said, if it says it's more than a quarter mile, I ain't going because they lie. And he said, I couldn't outrun a bear. I told him, I said, no, I couldn't even outrun an earthworm right now. After this walk. We still got a long way to go. But I still say this ain't no quarter of a mile. Alright, I gotta pay attention to the road. I cannot believe I made it up that trail and down. It said 0.4 tenths of a mile. I still don't believe it. That is the roughest thing I've done in a while. It was strenuous. Very strenuous. But if I can do it, anybody can do it just about. So, real proud of myself right now. If I don't have a heart attack before the day's over. I'm just kidding. I'm fine. I'm just tired. But it was fun and it was nice. But I still don't think the fall was as nice as the one at Rock Island. That was pretty magnificent, splendiferous.
We actually have one more on our vacation, probably. Hopefully it's just one more. It was several days, so it's kind of long, but we'll have probably one more of our vacation. And then I hope you'll enjoy this exciting video of our shark tooth hunt in Mississippi. We took 2 trips down there with our grandkids. We took one set of grandkids, and the next time we took another set and our daughter. So hopefully before too long we'll get to that, and y'all be watching for that, because to me it's real exciting. We met a man down there that told us a lot about what was in the creek and what had been found in the creek, and so it's an exciting video, and y'all be watching for that. Hope you liked the video of our vacation, and I hope you'll be watching more of our videos. Thanks for watching. Y'all be blessed and have a wonderful day.